Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a discount in Zoho Invoice. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to invoice.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho Invoice account. Once inside the main dashboard, we're going to set our focus first to go on our settings. To do that, go to the top right and open this gear icon to access your settings. And then, from the options below, click on General Preferences. Scroll down a bit and you should see discounts right here. Now, Zoho gives 4 kinds of discounts. At item level, right here, and then you can give a discount exclusive of tax or a discount inclusive of tax, or at transaction level where discount would be before tax or after tax. For this video, however, we're gonna choose line item level inclusive of tax. Then click on Save. Now, to see this, go to your main dashboard by clicking here, and then let's add a new invoice. So, we're going to go to Invoice, and then we're going to create a new one. Now, as you can see, per item, you now have an option to give it a discount. It could be 10%, 20%, 30%, it's up to you. You even have an option to change it to the currency that you wish to pay it for. Now, per item, you can give different kind of discount. So let's add a new row. So for our first item, let's give it 10%. Then for our second item, let's give it 20%. It would be up to us. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!